These are my top 5 affirmations slash prayers that help transform my consciousness that I'd like to share with you so it can also help you. Hello and welcome. My name is Gareth Fleck, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple, easy affirmations slash prayers for you to write down and to repeat as many times as you possibly can to get them drilled into your mind so you can remember them. And then once they suppress the subconscious, unconscious mind, your outer world will change to reflect back this new inner beliefs and feelings and manifest beautiful things into your life. Okay, let's get into it. No particular order. Number 1, what do we got? Divine law and order governs my life through divine love. So that is divine law and order governs my life through divine love. Isn't that beautiful? Make sure you write these down on little bits of cards or paper. Okay, that's a beautiful one. You want the divine to take over and just work through you so you can just be the wee vehicle through life and all goes well. It's number 1. Number 2, I in God, God in me. Where I am, God is. Where God is, I am. I absolutely love this one. Love it. I love it. And as I was getting used to it, if I was in situations where I was a bit, I'd just repeat that in my head. I am God, God in me. Where I am, God is. Where God is, I am. And my whole being was just go relax because, you know, you're protected and loved and looked after. So that was number 2. Number 3. So I got my wee phone here. What did I write? I and my Father are one. That is powerful. I and my Father are one. You can use Mother, whatever, universe, anything you want to use. But I and God are one. If that's easier, but I just use the I and my Father are one. Oh. And the more you do these, the more they impress. They just completely transform your mind and wash away all the muck, all the mud of the life, of the carnal mind. You break through it, you slice through it. So that was number 3. I and my Father are one. Now, what have I got here? I am submerged in eternal light. It permeates every particle of my being. I am living in that light. The divine spirit fills me within and without. So this is one I'm just come across and I've been loving it. So I'm just making sure I can impress it. So I still have to read it. You can see I don't know it off by heart fully yet, but I will. So I am submerged in eternal light. It permeates every particle of my being. I am living in that light. The divine spirit fills me within and without. Ooh, delicious, delicious. So affirmations like these, prayers, you want to get still. Close your eyes and turn your eyes up to the center and focus here. This is once you can remember them off by heart or record them on your phone and have it play back to you in your own voice. It is so powerful. But as you sit there staring up into the spiritual eye, you get relaxed and you say it like, I and my Father are one. I and my Father are one. So you say it out loud, normal voice, out loud, mid-tone, out loud as a whisper, then just repeat it in your mind. And this will transform all the cells, atoms, and molecules, particles, tissues of your being. It's blessing your entire being and mind with this new information, which is a very high vibrational thought patterns. And yes, That's great. Okay, last one I have. This is actually could be my favorite. I got it from Joseph Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Oh, apologies. But it is, I love and respect all people, and all people love and respect me. I understand and accept all people, and all people understand and accept me. Every person is a good person, and I bring out the good in all people I meet each day. I love myself and grow myself every single day. The universe is a friendly place, and I realize this more and more each day. Oh, that is such a good one. It is so good. And I know it's not easy to say that, especially if we've had turmoil and not the best situations or people come into our life that have, in the past. But this is for now. This is for us moving forward. If you can submit, impress this on the subconscious mind, then you will just bring in beautiful, loving people into your life. You will love yourself. You will grow yourself each day. You'll realize that the world is a friendly place because it's your inner pushed out, right? And if you believe this on the inside, you'll have loving people come into your life. So I'll repeat that one more time. I love and respect all people, and all people love and respect me. I love and understand all people. Oh no, I think I ruined it. I didn't ruin it. Sorry. I love and respect all people, and all people love. Oh gosh, I've lost the thought now. I love and respect all people, and all people love and respect me. I understand and accept all people, and all people understand and accept me. Every person is a good person, and I bring out the good in all people I meet each day. I love myself and grow myself every single day. The universe is a friendly place, and I realize this more and more each day. I hope this is helpful. Please take the time to write these down, even record them on your phone and listen to them until it permeates every particle of your being, and it will help you along your journey immensely. My name is Gareth Fleck. Hit the subscribe if you're new, leave a like, comment if you like these affirmations, drop your affirmations down below. Let us know, because it's always great learning new ones. But yeah, have a blessed life. Links in the bio for anything to follow me. I love you, and I'll see you